We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off for qualification match number 54 here on Jones Field number 2. We have both teams on the Blue Alliance cycling through those artifacts and picking up off of all of the spike marks to now clear that ramp. It appears that Robotic Rodent has gotten a little bit stuck with their autonomous as they were emptying that ramp though, so we will see how effective they are.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
As we end endgame here, we are within about a 10-point difference between the teams. This is going to be a very close match, and we will see what is to come. On the red side of the field, Aftershock is launching from that near launch zone, joined by Dahlia Engineers as they are filling up those artifacts from the human player. Back on the blue side, we have Flying Saucers, who is making use of that far launch zone with nobody to take it away from them. They have full reign of that area as the near launch zone is fully controlled at this moment by the Red Alliance. It appears Dahlia Engineers is struggling to launch some of those artifacts though, but their teammate Aftershock is having great success as they line up to have a volley of both teams successfully scoring 3 artifacts. Back for the blue side over here. The Robotic Rodents and Flying Saucers launching those artifacts in sync to great success. Having honed in their aim, they are prepared and getting those artifacts cycled through as quickly as possible in our final minute of gameplay. We still have an incredibly close game, and it can be anyone's as long as they keep going at this pace. Dahlia Engineers has changed up their tactics as they are going to this far launch zone. They're making use of this far launch zone to great success, joined by their teammate Aftershock in the near launch zone. They are joined by Flying Saucers, who are in that blue, who are coming up to play some defense against Aftershock and Dahlia as they both try to get those final artifacts in with only 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sorry, 54. It's the Blue Alliance. They take the win in match 54 by a score of 256 to 209. 5 ranking points means 22-8-58. Flying Saucers will move into the top 10, whereas we see downward motion